Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then nipple discharge. Nipple discharge can be of blood-stained nipple discharge. So blood-stained nipple discharge is seen in duct papilloma. Then it is one blood-stained nipple discharge is seen in duct papilloma or intraductal carcinoma, or it is seen in duct ectasia. Whereas the second type is we have serous nipple discharge. The serous nipple discharge is seen in fibrocystic disease, or it can be seen in serous nipple discharge is seen in fibrocystic disease, duct ectasia, and it is seen in carcinoma. Then we have black color or green paste like, or we have grumous discharge. This black color green paste like grumous discharge is seen in duct ectasia.
thank you and thank you for watching.